So bila you buat conservation tillage ni tadi, you tinggalkan tanaman-tanaman yang sisa tanaman yang lama. So you are conserving the moisture, you are providing the organic matter, you inviting the microorganism because there is the food of the microorganism. Then also not only that, we can do what we call as rotation crops, crop rotations. Okay, because different types of organic matter kita akan dapat. Kalau jagung kan dia kurang rumput. Sebenarnya rumput adalah paling bagus. Rumput ni because it has a short life cycle. So dia akan senang mati dan decompose, and dia punya organic matter lebih halus-halus. So they are providing organic matter to the soils faster rather than contoh you tanam pokok jagung je. Okay, because of the size kan. Okay, so establishments of legume crops, okay, do crop rotation. Not only do crop rotation ni contoh you tanam jagung serap banyak nitrogen. Then the next season you tanam pokok kekacang, pokok menjala. So pokok kekacang akan helps to sebab dia sistem akar yang berbeza. Okay, sekejap saya tunjuk you. Okay, kalau nampak gambar ni kan? Nampak tak? Akar sistem, setiap pokok akar dia sistem dia berbeza-beza. Jadi bila you rotate, you are contributing different types of roots lah. Maksudnya you enhance the root structure. Okay, ada yang tumbuh macam ni, ada yang tumbuh macam ni. So kalau you tanam carrot je, you are not contributing organic matter to the soil. Dia sebab akar-akar halus ni dia akan senang mati kan. Dia senang hidup, senang membiak banyak-banyak dan dia mati. So you are providing the organic matter to the soil. Tapi kalau you tanam pokok carrot je sepanjang 8 tahun habis tanah you nanti Dari segi structure, dari segi nutrient, dari segi organic matter will be depleted. That's why it is encouraged for you to do crop rotation, establish legume cover crops. Okay, so because legumes ataupun rumput ni tadi dia ada high nitrogen content. Okay, then avoiding soil compactions. Okay, sebab soil compactions akan reduce aeration dengan juga water. So jadi proses decomposition tak dapat berlaku dengan baik. Okay, so the idea here is we have to make soil something that can helps in enhancing environment quality. Sebenarnya the cerita dia, the key is that bila bakar sampah, bila bakar ladang, you are converting the carbon to carbon dioxide. Okay, so sekarang ni the researcher ataupun environmentalists, they realize that the soil can act as a carbon sequester. Soil ni boleh jadi macam satu tempat yang simpan carbon. Okay, maksudnya carbon ni tak dilepaskan dalam bentuk carbon dioxide. So carbon is actually the basis of all organic components. So dia are in a lot of form lah kan. DNA, RNA, dalam protein, semua dia chain, dia dalam bentuk rantaian. Okay, so carbon ni dia ada carbon cycles. Okay, so daripada banyak, tapi macam mana kita tak nak carbon dioxide ni dilepaskan dalam bentuk carbon dioksida, sebab ada berlaku respirations, ada berlaku proses decomposition, ada from the agriculture industrial release. Okay, so where is the carbon is actually stored? So actually carbon can be stored in the atmosphere, soils and also dissolved water. Sekarang ni soil, the idea is that when we talk about soil, soil can act as a medium that can keep carbon, that can store carbon. So carbon enters the living world in the process of photosynthesis. Green plant and algae use the carbon dioxide. Okay. So sebab itulah kita kena tanam pokok banyak, because the plants helps to absorb the carbon and reduce the carbon in the carbon dioxide in the environment. So the carbon then will return to the atmosphere and water by the cellular respirations and decomposes, which do the decomposition process and all the processes lah you belajar tadi. Then not only that, ada juga carbon yang through burning and also fossil fuels burn, semua tu, and results dia ada, nowadays it has an imbalance content of carbon in the environment. Dah tak stable because the more than the absorptions of the carbon. Okay, so actually dalam agriculture itself, you tengok lembu menafas, dia menghasilkan carbon dioxide. Sebab sekarang ni kita banyak dairy kan, kita banyak apa ni panggil what is that? Allah lupa. Inilah industri tenusu, because we want to support. Actually semuanya start dengan human population yang increased. Okay. So to meet the demand, makin banyak lembu. Okay, so lembu ni dia not only do the respiration process, but dia punya manure, rice paddy are contributing to the carbon dioxide and also methane. Okay, then banyak gas yang dihasilkan oleh especially kalau you nampak ni, carbon dioxide and methane are from the agriculture industry. It's a carbon sequester. Dia boleh tolong simpan carbon dalam bentuk carbon change. Okay. A mere 2% increase in the carbon contents of the planet's soils could offset 100% of all greenhouse gases emissions through the atmosphere. Maksudnya kalau you simpan 2% in soil, you can reduce the percentage of the gas emission going to the atmosphere. Okay, so these are some of the gambar saya nak you tengok je. The idea is the main idea yang saya nak sampaikan adalah soil can act as a carbon sequester, that it can be the carbon sources can be kept in carbon chain daripada dia di-release dalam bentuk asap ke ataupun pembakaran ke. Okay, so about 2,400 times 10 power of 15 of carbon are stored in the soil profiles as organic matter. This is good. Okay, so we have